To make biscuits, first preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then add 2½ cups or 325 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of baking soda to a large bowl. Whisk in 1 tablespoon or 12½ grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of salt. Now grate 1 stick of frozen butter over the bowl using a box grater. Grating the butter into small pieces will make your biscuits light and airy. Mix the butter into the flour mixture, then create a well in the center. Pour 1 cup or 235 milliliters of cold buttermilk into the well and stir until the dough is just combined. Transfer the dough onto a floured work surface and shape it into a rectangle that's 1 inch or 2½ centimeters thick. Then fold the dough in half and press it into a 1 inch or 2½ centimeter thick rectangle again. Repeat this process 2 more times so your biscuits have thin, flaky layers. Now cut the dough into 2½ inch or 6½ centimeter wide circles using a round cookie cutter or the mouth of a glass. Place the biscuits on the lined baking sheet and brush the tops with melted butter. Finally, bake the biscuits for 20 minutes or until the tops are slightly golden.